14,500 pounds. All right, here we go. Here we go. That first gear is no joke. That's 14,500 pounds. Man, thank you guys for watching the video. I was really excited to put this footage together for you. If you haven't watched the last videos I did, I'll put them at the end of this one. But those trucks are towing 15,000 pounds basically. I had the tanks filled up probably 20 gallons per because I was trying to get them clean. And then my fresh water was filled up too, but it's probably about 15,000 pounds, I would say, with all the water. But the Ram was only behind 8-9 miles an hour, despite it being down 75 horsepower and 50 pound-feet of torque. And the 10-speed, which is a 10R140 in the Ford, is pretty amazing. So I would say the Ram did pretty darn good. 8-9 miles an hour behind, not bad at all. So being hooked up to a trailer is a little bit slower, and I'm talking about the Ford. It's a little bit slower, but I think the Ram, that's where the torque comes to life in this truck. As I've mentioned in other videos, you can clearly hear the torque when you accelerate in the Ram. It sounds amazing. The Cummins is the best sounding diesel in the 1 ton, 3/4 ton segment. So, and this is no exception. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon.